What's up, guys? We're right here in Chicago. Me and Ani with her Dora backpack. She's about to take over. We're about to show you all the cool stuff there is to do in where?
In the
Chicago.
I think if Adam would have had another squeeze, he might not have ate those fruits from the leaves of life. Far as Eve, it couldn't have been the more deceiving wife. See, a nigga had a weak spot and she was right. I just call it how I see it. She in love with him, and he in love too, but still be fucking all of them. Can you imagine you unlocked with one breeze for life? Waking up in the morning, laying down at night with the same face, looking at you all the time. Realizing now that happiness is hard to find. You wanna go out and try to find that smiling face, cause she's always mad and her sex ain't great, and she don't suck dick like she used to do. Force a nigga into trying to find him something new. And on the real, I done seen it when it went like this. But girl, there's one thing happened that you can't forget. Hey.